Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to remove a participant from a group in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp Web application. Step 2. Next, click on the desired group chat that you want to remove a participant from. Step 3. Once inside the group chat, click on the group name at the top of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down to find the list of group members on the right side of the screen. Step 5. Right-click on the desired member's name that you want to remove and then click on Remove from the options that appear. Step 6. Confirm the removal by clicking on Remove again in the confirmation prompt. And that's it. You have successfully removed a participant from the group in WhatsApp Web. Removing a participant can be helpful when you want to manage the group's members, or if someone is no longer active in the group. If you found this tutorial useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp Web tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.